Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll embark on a full and visually stunning exploration deep within a fascinating natural world, where healthy water buffalo with their glossy black skin demonstrate their strong survival abilities in the wild. The video opens with a detailed shot of a water buffalo's face, its thick skin covered by a layer of dry skin, creating a connection that simultaneously attracts the attention of many creatures around its eyes and nose. A vast panoramic scene where a water buffalo, its body covered in cracked mud, is running across dry grasslands plus cascading down into the clear blue water where a water buffalo is moving in the deep water, surrounded by a school of small fish swimming alongside it, creating an incredibly impressive and distinct scene from the dusty land images, with streams of light piercing the water's surface highlighting the majestic beauty of these animals. And not only that, a breathtaking glimpse into the symbiosis of nature, as the water buffalo returns to its habitat and becomes a source of sustenance for smaller species. Perhaps the image depicts tiny crabs burrowing into the buffalo's thick, rough fur, surrounded by schools of small fish lying on their sides, demonstrating a vibrant miniature ecosystem thriving within the body of a large creature. A stunning visual experience where each frame is depicted slowly, from the Earth's surface to the playful interaction between species, showcasing the invaluable importance of the animal world. This is truly a high-quality film, successfully conveying the full, unspoiled beauty and vitality of nature into fantasy. We witness another fascinating edge in the cycle of nature, where buffaloes are not just single subjects, but the center of a vibrant miniature ecosystem. The image of tiny crabs crawling on the buffalo's thick fur and its speed is the clearest evidence of the coexistence of life, where each organism finds its role in existence, while at the same time, schools of small fish cool the buffalo's body beneath the clear water. A sense of peace, an absolute harmony between different species in a wild, natural environment. These are not just visual images, but also contain life and death and a strong sense of connection. From the breakthrough of schools of fish in the water, every detail seems to move realistically, drawing the viewer into any world. Transitioning rhythmically between habitats, from land to underwater, bathing, finding an extremely logical and highly engaging arrangement of content. Delving into the captivating wilderness, we are struck by the sight of the water buffaloes, symbols of their immense strength and extraordinary resilience in the dry grasslands. The stark contrast between their thick, mud-covered hides and the green coals creates a visually striking and artistic masterpiece. Through the film, viewers are guided, where every crack in the dry mud tells a story of survival, from their powerful strides across the vast grasslands to their quiet moments in the water. Every movement of the water buffalo carries a wild, rugged beauty surrounded by schools of small fish like loyal companions, creating a stunning symbiotic scene that blurs the line between wildness and tranquility. This is evidence of a perfectly functioning ecological system, creating a miraculous balance that can only be found in the natural world, capturing such vivid images. From the fleeting moments of death to the subtle movements of insects or schools of fish, one can find the immense dedication of the creator of this product. It's not simply filming. It's a process of observation, the best value of chemical creation, through which each of us is infused with positive energy, understands the importance of the natural environment, and appreciates the beauty of seemingly insignificant and familiar creatures.
Get on now, move along there. Keep it steady.
Through footage of the wild beauty of the water buffalo, we continued our persistent journey in an ever-changing environment, where every passing moment was a testament to persistence and survival instinct. Whether we were in the dry mud or gently immersing ourselves in the clear blue water, this image of the water buffalo with small fish and tiny insects was not only a fascinating biological phenomenon but also a profound lesson about the interconnectedness of individuals. In a place where there is no absolute power or dominance, but all are striving to merge for survival and discovery, the controlled, alert frames have identified the smallest details in the database, from the skin layer, creating an emotional depth, immersing the viewer in our world, feeling every breath, every rhythm of life. The artistic contrast between the reflected light of the sun on land and the ease of existence. The pristine beauty of the underwater world creates a perfect rhythm, leading the viewer from one surprise to another, affirming the power of nature not only in its majestic truth, but also in its small details. Each frame is not just an image, but a message about the importance and protection of nature, where we can always find hidden beauty if we know how to look at and appreciate it. We continue to explore the life of water buffaloes and the smaller creatures within the same ecosystem. The images of herds of buffaloes underwater, with their skin now returning. The challenge of transitioning from the distant runaway horse to the tranquil underwater environment is an artistic step that helps us better understand what this from its art. Dry protective layer that helps it withstand the harsh sun to its transformation upon merging with the water.
These blocks are denser than the last batch.
Yeah, make sure they're uniform before they move on.
Each dimension depicts a resilient and powerful vitality. Through detailed camera footage, we see a perfect ecological picture where the roughness of the wasteland and the purity of the water coexist, a wonderful interplay between stillness and movement, between the migratory appearance of cattle and the graceful movement of small fish. The video successfully tells a natural story without dialogue, where each image contains a profound meaning of existence and compatibility between.
Watch the line, careful with the saw. Pushing it through now.
We don't become mere targets of nature when the buffaloes are no longer just isolated creatures, but have truly become mobile oases, living for an entire community of small animals. The image of schools of fish swimming enhances the visuals. We can see the slightest movements of the insects perched on the skin, blending with the cracked earth. The emotional layers of pristine, unspoiled nature are evident in every frame. From the color of the mud to the clarity of the paint,
Fit 2 more on this pallet here.
All right, grab the last one. Looks good. Watch the left
we
side
witness another fascinating aspect of the cycle of nature, the unusual resilience of the water buffalo when faced with the challenges of a life-or-death environment. The image of the buffalo, with its thick horns, a feature that certainly doesn't help us in our discomfort with gay men, yet still a symbol of strength. And the small organisms on the buffalo's body are a vivid testament to the symbiotic, delicate life in the food chain, where each individual finds benefit from the presence. This creates an incredibly balanced and sustainable cycle of life. The video space becomes safer and more captivating as the lens shifts from the uncomfortable ground level, activating the large size of the buffalo while still creating a vibrant melody, dispelling the heavy atmosphere of buffalo known for their localized nature. This video has been most successful in capturing artistic moments, each frame exquisite, from the speed of running across the grassland to the stability in deep water. All of this creates a balanced, relaxed emotional rhythm, leading the viewer from one surprise to another. The world around us always hides strange stories if we take the time to observe. And importantly, through this, each of us continues to replenish our positive energy and understand the importance of the natural environment around us. gaining a deeper understanding of the beauty of seemingly familiar objects that conceal countless wonders, waiting to be discovered together. We have seen the transition from an arid environment to an aquatic world, not only a change of setting but also evidence of the water buffalo's adaptability. The dry, cracked mud on their skin, when it comes into contact with water, not only acts as a protective covering but also becomes an imaginary environment for small organisms, transforming the buffalo's muscles into a vibrant miniature ecosystem. Tiny crabs diligently crawling on their thick fur, or schools of fish swimming playfully. The process of surveying the local people's filming process began with capturing each moment meticulously. From the powerful presence of the deep land to the commercial activity and the graceful movements of schools of fish underwater. Each frame is highly symbolic, affirming that whether large or small, all creatures are integrated into a perfect natural cycle. The combination of high quality and in-depth content helps viewers better understand the beauty of wild nature. We were then led to a deeper understanding of the extraordinary ability and adaptability of water buffaloes in the face of environmental challenges. The image of the buffalo, with its natural protective layer of mud, not only helped us distinguish it from others, but also symbolized enduring strength. This served as a vivid illustration of the subtle symbiosis within the food chain, where each individual benefits from the presence of the other, creating an incredibly balanced and robust life cycle.
These are the finest Saanen goats in the market. Look at the coat on this one. They look very healthy. How much?
The video's atmosphere becomes more magical and captivating as the camera shifts from the ground, creating a dynamic dance that dispels the heavy appearance of the buffaloes, who are known for their rustic nature. This video brilliantly captures the most striking elements, transforming them into artistic masterpieces. Each frame, from the rhythmic running across the grassland to the stillness beneath the deep water, creates a rhythmic mix of suspense and tranquility. Leading viewers from one surprise to another, the natural world is full of wonders if we take the time to observe carefully. Importantly, through this, each of us continues to gain positive energy and an understanding of the importance of the surrounding natural environment, gaining a deeper appreciation for the beauty of seemingly familiar objects that nonetheless hold countless mysteries waiting to be discovered, explored, and shared with the community. Each frame provides information